time to continue working on the project. I remembered I didn't have hitbox stuff. Sorry, hurtbox stuff. Just hitbox stuff. So that's something I need to change. Add a frame. Information about the frame. Add hitbox, show hitbox, add reset. Different frames and background permission. So we need to add hurt boxes now, or the ability to add hurt boxes and manipulation to that. So I'm just going to copy this because we already have functionality by making a new shape, adding whatever parameters it needs to, adding as a child, then setting the owner to the root node of the scene, which always changes. So that's why we get it tree, scene root, instead of just finding parent, another set parameter, another parameter, print text to check, and then reset the button so it doesn't loop through this. Right box, copy this. Problem. With the hurt box might be that an area can't detect an area, so I need to check that first before we do this. At the player, let's add a frame, then add a hitbox to the scene. Save that here, go to testing, yes that. Gonna add an area and check if I can detect it. I should hard set the layers. So wall ground layer, and hitbox. Frame data manager, go to the script, set the collision, single frame, clear, add. Okay, our single frame isn't area 2D, so we can just set the collision layer every time. Dot collision layer. No, I forgot how the collision layer thing works. It's gonna be a number, which is annoying. So I need to set it to 4. Equals 4. Meaning I should delete this one, add a new one, now that the script's changed. Check the collision layer on this thing to be 4. And I want shit, make this mask 4. No, I want this one 4. I want the other one mask 4. Yes. Collision mask. Oh, that's good. Player, collision mask. Give this a shape by adding a hitbox. And want to move it. Save the player. Go for the player. Random area 2D that we have set. Add. I don't have a button here, so I have to add the actual thing. Collision shape. Collision shape 2D. Let's give it a circle. Let's put that over there. And then just see if it detects it or not. And to do that, I want it to output a print line in here on body entered print, print body, just to see what body we're getting when we walk into the scene. Right. And see if it detects the area 2D. Doesn't seem like it. Is the player scene set to the right things? It has a layer 3 and a mask of 3. A collision. The other area has a layer 3. Let's put a mask of 3 just in case it matters. On the scene for testing. It doesn't detect. Okay, so what that means is I can't just use the exact same system I have. I have the system a little bit different. If I add to the area 2D, just 2D. Can't make sense in that their bodies in this path. Draw static body or rigid body. Static body. Can we do this? Physical material. A collision object. Shape. Take this one. Capsule. Move it over here. Have a collision of this. Change to breeze. And then let's test the scene. See if we detect it when we enter. No. I can collide with it with the player. Oh wait, that's but I know that's what it's supposed to do. Okay. Let's remove that, add it just to the node, and detect. No, okay. Wait, it might be disabled. Let's go to the player, check the hitbox. Disabled is on. I should change or add a button to fix that. Why is it lagging? Oh, yeah, save. What is happening? Let me close this. I really should press something like this. These are these. Oops. Okay, I believe control 1 and control 2. Have you used this? Okay, control 2. Set up those hotkeys for a reason. Updating scene. Yep. Okay. Oh, that's why Godot's running the scene still. Didn't close it. Okay, so do you detect the area? No. Do you detect the hang? No. Okay. Why? Why do you detect neither of these? And you have the script to print the body. And that's outside of the if statement. Is on body entered not connected anywhere? On body entered. Connect to itself. I need to have a signal that automatically gets connected. Okay. Can be a physics body, time map, affected. Okay. A physics body. Right, rigid body, static body, and all inherent. But the area isn't the same. When the area receives and the received area enters this area. Alright, that's specific. Okay, so let's connect the on body entered signal to this thing. Click on body entered. Okay. Connect. Then let's test the scene now for testing to see if not a character detected it. Not a character. It's not printing the body though, which is what I wanted it to do. The return is why. That's why. Makes sense. Um, I need to have a signal get connected. So this works. I should be able to delete the frame, add a new frame, add a hitbox, and it didn't connect. next, the optional things to be added. Let me go to the area to and see signals. Mid when the sequence enters the body, body can be physics. Yeah, percent. It's not connecting the signal, which is a problem. Let's check the internet. How to connect on body entered encode. Okay, maybe because it's a tool script that's not connected, which would be an odd one, I think. Let's go to testing and see the local. I don't think the local has a signal. Wait, that means it's connected. Just good. That's so weird. Doesn't show up, which is a little bit annoying. weird. It's weird. So, data manager doesn't connect the signals here. Single frame. Maybe I should be making it so that a single frame is not an area, but instead another node. Add a frame data manager. Then we have a node that allows it to be frame one. Then we have it so that it has a hitbox and a hurt box. Stop. Okay, let's see if we can do that quickly. Meaning, yeah, this is set to change like 4 times. But this means we will have the 2 primary things we need to have attacks. Hitboxes and hurtboxes. So this area is a hitbox. And it's not a single frame, it is a hitbox. Okay, save it, rename it, hitbox. I'm gonna rename it to hitbox frame. And hitbox area. So the hitbox area is fine. This is not fine. Let's Control F. Replace with the new name. Replace all. Okay. Not the right capitalization or word. Okay. Frame data manager. It says add and frame. Let's change that to add um, add control set this. Actually, no, we want a frame. We want to add a node 2D. Let's call this one the frame, the area, which is going to probably rename itself to area 2D. Okay, there we go. That works. Then let's add static body, the character body. Okay, I'm gonna need a new script for this. Not script, call it frame. Yeah, create. No, none of that. Shift, add tool, enter class, underscore name, capitalize, extends, node to be. So the frame has the ability to add hurt boxes, hit boxes. So this should be like copy this function into the frame script first. Add new hitbox. Okay. And then export this button. This has a new hitbox. Copy and paste. Rename it for hurtbox. Change the collision mass to 2 for the player. Reframe. Okay, so that has add these. This should rename. This should be using frame. Frame. Who controls it so I can try this? No, it's just frame. Okay. This. 0 scripts result single frame.gd because it's not called a single frame again anymore. So we got the hitbox area, which is here, this thing, ready. Doesn't need to add a hitbox. Right now it does. There's a show hitboxes, needs a body entered function, which is just collapse. Show hitbox and reset. Okay. So I'll just save the connection. A static body. A static body should be a script box. Box. Create. Delete all that. Add tool. Enter. Class. Name. Box. Box. What should it extend? Should it be a static body? Can go physics, body 2D. I can. I don't know if it will like it. So I go to this thing and try. Yeah, so that's a problem. What would be the best physics body? Let me see if chat decides to say anything. Yeah. No. Okay. Doesn't look like it. Just wait for it to load. Hmm. Doesn't seem like either one wants to say anything. Okay. Firefox tool. Can't be physics body, so let's just go here. Look at our physics bodies that we can be using. Be anyways. Rigid body can be affected by physics. Character body has different things. Static body, I don't really know. Animatable body. Okay. Let's take a look at all of their scripts. Search. Character body. Search. Stat. There's rigid body, static body. Open, search, static body. Uh, rigid body. Okay, so it's just these two. We might want to see The animated body. Constant angular velocity, linear angular velocity, physics material override. Just has those three on top of the collision object. Character body is on stuff. Probably not too important, since these are going to be the detections. Of the hitboxes. So the character body could have a player collider for, I don't know, just standing there. So that was a rigid body. Static body has the least stuff. Everything takes in from physics body anyways. So there's that. I'm gonna need to remember this. That's gonna be needed. Okay, collision exceptions, add collision exception. Let's get collision object, those properties. Otherwise it's just a new one. Okay, and then hitbox for areas. Does character body have signals? No. Collision body has signals. Oh no, that's collision object. Input event, mounted, Yeah, okay, physics body. Does this have signals? No. Rigid body, signals. Body entered. Body exited. Emitted when a collision with another physics body or tile map occurs. Rigid body might be the thing I need to use then. Okay. We have areas for hitboxes. Areas for hitboxes. Rigid bodies for hurt boxes. But the thing is, if I were to look up a JP combo and then just see JP combo, JP combo, two combos, videos, just quickly. Sounds good. Enough, probably. Look at this frame. This blurry frame. This one. Oh, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Just look at that. That does not seem like it would be a rigid body that would also physically collide with the other player. As if we also go to, actually I think this signal video. Nope, I want frame data. Not this frame data site. This one. Standing heavy kick. What does that mean? Does that mean they're all the way at the kick end? So we go back to the video. So at the very end of the kick is where they could be. Take a look at crouching medium punch because that's the next thing. So right at the end here, there's this much space. That's punishable. So they're hitting around here near the end, second half. The foot's there. Okay. And if I want to take a look at Kenny's just standing hitbox. So just standing, the foot face. Foot's there. Hitbox should be around here. We go back just a bit. I need a second tab for JP as well. JP. See, look at another hit. What's that? It has a ton of pushback. Does that mean disabled? What does the thing mean? Standing. What does that mean? I can kick here. Does it have a follow-up as well? I wouldn't be surprised if this meant disabled for this. Oh yeah, that's absolutely disabled. This is an anti-air for a reason. Yeah, that's disabled. Okay. So when it's dark, it means it's disabled. So we could use rigid body. We could use character body maybe too. But I don't know which one would be better for runtime. I'd have to ask somebody about that. Hmm. Because it would be weird to have a bunch of character bodies. Physics bodies, however. Game objects affected by physics. All physics bodies inherit from it. Inherited by physics body. Box area because it's not really saved yet. I should rename the script. It's not named properly. Component scripts name should also be in here. Yeah. Its body is inherited by character body, rigid body, static body. The thing is, these will not be the things moving for the most part. It would be the player, right? Wrong. Or is the player hitbox hurtbox thing just always active and they have a crouching one separately? Okay, let's take a look at this one. Always active adds 2. Always active adds 2. The position is just changed. This one just disables that one without showing it being disabled. This one duplicates it. It's so weird that it's like this. What is this stuff? So, there's a constant hitbox, hurtbox thing that's just constantly there. I added the cross-up move. Is that the only one? Yeah, that's the only cross-up move. It's not great, but it's there. I can understand this being disabled, which is why it's dark green. Okay, so inconsistencies, but they exist. If I choose another character, I go with DP. Any character with DP, right? They don't have the frame data on this stuff. Or do they, and they're just hiding it somewhere that I just can't find? Those jump attacks, control hockey kick. Oh, I know there is. Yeah, they just disable most of them and then bring them back. That is not in the tab 10. Oops. I need to wait for the bar to load. So, okay. Projectile invulnerable, vulnerable, air invulnerable. Okay, so it's not the same. This is fully invulnerable. Let's bring data stuff quotes a bit. Reference. But should it be a character body or a static body? This is the main decision. Here's what I think. There should be a character body main collision shape with the crouching version and an aerial version. So let me add just shapes to the player and name them. Standing. No, not control CP. A child node. Can I just node? No, not that node. Delete node, no 2D. Add no 2D. This thing. Add these underneath it. No, why? Okay, so it has to be a direct child. I don't like that. Okay, so we will have to do the body. Standing. Not why did it have to crash? The only reason it's crashing is because I have too many things running at the same time on the same laptop just so I can have this streaming. Ah. Okay, I'll add those three. We'll name them so they exist. Standing. Crouch. Airborne. Does a character body need a character body? Later interact with objects. Consider adding one of these as the child to define its shape. Or I could do everything with rigid bodies and then go to character bodies. I think this might make more sense. Let's go to the 2D and adjust them and focus. Standing. Keep crouching. This one. Crouching. This one. Let's change this one to half the size. Not all of them. God damn it. Just this one. Why are you all doing that? Okay. Because they were the same razor as me, wasn't it? Get on the grid. There one. 3 minutes in, instead it should be 4 minutes. I'm going to change the crouching hitbox color to greenish. The airborne one to purplish. Yes. Okay, that's cool. That's cool, 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 cool. Crouching hitbox, standing hitbox. Hey, it looks kind of like the Street Fighter thing because there's different hitboxes. Okay, crouching hitbox is not lined up, which is because how much is it? -6, 0, 0, probably 6. Let's go with 5. Okay, no, apparently not. What are these grid sizes? 8? Okay, 6 would make sense then. Yep. Save that. These are the 3 different primary hitboxes. Which means they would have player script logic for the collision shapes. I could just change the size. Or I could have 3 hitboxes. One of the options loads faster, and I don't know which one. Actually, no, it would be easier to load one hitbox and then just change its size on the fly than it would be to have multiple hitboxes. Gosh darn it, the game has high-low stuff, which I guess I can just set the type to the attack rather than set hitboxes, different hitboxes. So, um, let's add a to-do here. A either functionality to have crouch, stand, and air boxes and change it. Make it. At some point, I might need to make the hitboxes and heart boxes bigger because pixel sizes are gonna matter. Okay, right. That's enough for today. God damn it. I will see whoever has decided to watch ever in the future.